how to place a bulk order. Begin by visiting our corporate gifting page at hampersgalore.com.au and click on Start Order. Browse our range and select the hampers you like to send to your clients. Add any personalized options to make your gifts truly unique. Upload your company logo and any brand assets you'd like included. Enter your custom brand message. Add your branded greeting card messages. Prepare a spreadsheet with each recipient's name and delivery address, then upload it using our bulk upload feature. Proceed to payment to finalize your order. Once completed, your order confirmation and delivery details will be emailed to you. At Hampers Galore, corporate gifting has never been this simple.